Welcome back. In the previous video, we understood cross-system consistency of the consistency check, and in this video, we'll understand intra-system consistency. Okay? So, intra-system consistency ensures that data within a single system adheres to some particular predefined standard and is internally consistent. So, this consistency within each data set helps prevent data quality issues before integration with other systems. For example, I can tell date formats, address formats, or naming conventions. We'll check whether they are consistent within the same system. Okay. So, let us get started with this. So, let me use the same table which I'm using for cross-system consistency, that is CRM customer table and the order customer table. Okay, so let me check the data, whether it is there in the table. Yes, data is there in the table. Let me check for the order customer table. Yes, here as well, data is there in the table. Okay, let me check whether the data is consistent and matches the predefined formats in the table. So for this, I have to see whether the email format is followed and the phone number format is followed. So for that, I'll run this query. So I'm just telling select customer ID, name, email, phone from the CRM customer where email not like this format. For example, at the gmail.com, something like this format I'm checking here. I'm using the wildcards here. And then for the phone, I'm just checking whichever the entries in the table which does not match this pattern. Okay. So this symbol is for start of the string. 0 to 9 exactly takes the numbers between 0 to 9 up to 3 numbers. Okay. Length will be 3. And then hyphen is followed. And then again numbers between 0 to 9 can be taken of length 3. And then there is again a hyphen. And then the same thing. 0 to 9 numbers can be taken up to 4 digits. That means length of 4 digits can be taken. And this is the end of the string. Okay. As a whole, if I want to tell, I'm just checking the emails which doesn't follow this pattern and the phone number column which doesn't follow this pattern by using regular. Okay. Let me run this and see which are the data which is not following this format. Okay, here if you observe, this is a customer ID, Sarah Davies. Email is not in the predefined format. So it should be sarahdavies@example.com. So this is not following the format. But phone number it is following, but email ID it is not following the format. So this is in the CRM customer table and this can be reported as a error. Okay. So here there is one more option you can take where this regular expression to check the format of the email. So here at the start of the string, okay, I'm telling all these characters, uppercase A to Z, lowercase A to Z, 0 to 9 numbers, any special characters is also allowed up to at symbol.
Except percentage. Sorry, by mistakenly it has been included in this query. I am reiterating, please don't include percentage as part of this special characters.
And then I'm telling after that again any uppercase letter from A to Z, lowercase letter from A to Z, 0 to 9 numbers, special characters are allowed. And then I'm telling after that there is a dot required before top level domain. So it can take the values or characters from uppercase A to Z, lowercase A to Z. So it is telling it requires at least 2 characters for the top level domain. For example, I can tell you is we can have example at gmail.com or else we can have abc@abc.co.in. That is what I am checking, whether that is in this format or this format. Any data in the email column which doesn't match this particular pattern will be fetched as the output. So let me run this and see if it fetches any other errors apart from this. Okay, so it's telling there are no errors, only this email ID has a problem with the predefined pattern and this can be reported as a error. Okay, so let us check the same thing for the order customer table. Similar way, I'm taking select customer ID, name, email, phone number column from the order customer table which is in the public schema. In a way that public schema is in the order management database. So I'm giving the condition email not regular regular expression like this format.
Except percentage. Sorry, by mistakenly it has been included in this query.
And phone number is not like regular expression, this format. Okay, so let me run this. So it's telling there is no problem with the phone number column. So the problem is with the email column with the format. See here, so I have Sarah Davies. Previously I had some percentage symbol here. Now it has been replaced with that, but it is double at. Again, it doesn't follow the predefined format. So this could be the error which can be reported. Okay. I hope you all understood intra-consistency check, which ensures that data within a single system adheres to predefined standards and is internally consistent. Thank you.